What's going on, y'all? Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. This your boy Playmaker Wave of the Playbook, and y'all ready to title, man. Bitcoin weekly analysis. So, if y'all checked out last week's Bitcoin video, things did go as projected. It didn't break this level, but it's still respecting this level as support. We're just gonna break into it. We're just gonna go straight into it, right? Because again, it did go get some price levels hit that we was discussing, so y'all should have been able to DCA out as well as DCA in. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also day trade over here. So we live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16 and 4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter one to start the year off, we went 53 and 4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20 and 0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17 and 1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16 and 3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So, looking at Bitcoin, we can see here that our higher highs or our all-time high, as well as this resistance level at 71,500, 72,000, failed to get broken yet again. This is like the 6th month in a row that's failed to do so. But we are still technically bullish, right? So now we're going to go over where we can look for potential entries, where we can look for exits at, as far as where we can see price heading this week, as well as going into this month, because it is a new month. So Bitcoin, as you can see, broke past the level but rejected, and now still respecting 54,000 as support. So as long as it can hold 54,000 support, we can look for buys coming back up to 61,800, 62,000 price range. Now, as far as for the uptrend, I don't want to see us break past 47,000 price range. We start to treat 47,000 as resistance. We could see a possible reversal come back into play like we saw here, right? Price failed to break these levels, started treating this low for support to resistance, and then that's when that reversal came into play. Now, we are still bullish and did break those all-time highs earlier this year, the beginning of the year, as you can see right here. But again, we just need that volume to push up so we see those higher highs and new all-time highs get hit again. So now let's talk about where we can look at potential entries and exits at, right? So again, when you're investing in Bitcoin, especially long term, it's a little bit different from day trading, where if you think price is going to go up, you can simply enter sells. If you think price is going to go up, you enter buys. Where, investing with Bitcoin and stocks, for traditionally, you only make money or you profit if it continues to increase in value from where you purchased and invested at. So assuming you want Bitcoin to continue to uptrend, and we assuming Bitcoin is going to continue to uptrend, we're going to go over potential spots to look for entries at. So right here, if it can continue to hold this level as support where it's currently at, we can look for buys here at 54,000 price range, and we can look for buys going up to 62,000 price range. But for the uptrend to continue and to push back up like we're seeing right here, is going to need to break the 62,000 price range and treat that as support. Now, if we can break the 62,000 price range, treat that as support, we can see price head back up to 65,500, possibly back to 7,900, and then where the all-time highs are at 71,000, 72,000 price range. Now, let's say price rejects this level, starts treating this as resistance. And then you can see price, like I said, heading down to 47,000 right here, where you can look for a possible position now. If it breaks these two levels, like I said, we can see the possible reversal come into play. So we don't want to see price break 47,000, start treating that as resistance like we saw right here. So if price starts to reject this level and treat it as resistance, we could see price retracing back down to 42,000, 38,000 price range, and possibly down to the 35,600, 36,000 price range. Now, if we get to that, then we'll break down what to do from there. But this is where we're gonna be looking for positions and entries at. All right, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on a free signal, free Telegram. If you're interested in learning how I identify these levels, my signal services, or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before we make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the Advanced Play Signal Room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long. But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.